You won't believe these weirdest animal eggs, and the last one is unreal. Number 3. Horned shark egg. About 60% of sharks give birth to live young, while the other 40% lay eggs. But when you see a shark egg, you'd never guess it's an egg because it looks nothing like one. Its shape is so bizarre and unusual that shark eggs are often ranked among the most unique in the entire animal kingdom. Number 2. Kiwi bird egg. The kiwi holds the world record for laying the biggest egg in relation to its body size. A single egg can weigh up to 20% of the mother's entire body weight and can be as long as 12 centimeters. It takes up so much room inside her body that in the final days the mother can't even eat. Number 1. Seahorse egg. Here's something wild. It's the male seahorse that carries the eggs. The female deposits her eggs into his pouch where he keeps them safe and nurtured. After a few weeks, tiny baby seahorses burst out from the father's pouch. Seahorses are one of the rare creatures where the male actually gives birth. You're loud.